afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? So I'm about to head to Best Buy to get an adapter for the GoPro and the light that we bought yesterday because it just does not work together. It's just not working together. And then also I think I'm gonna go get a car wash because my car needs washing. I need to vacuum and my car is dirty. Water bottles and stuff. Yeah, so it's 3:25 in the afternoon. I have to go about 15 or so minutes to the Best Buy that has the so-called adapter that I need to get. Hopefully they have it. I'll see you guys in a minute once I make it there. Alright, so we are here at Best Buy now. We're about to go in and hopefully they have the USB connector piece. I'm not sure. I don't know the name for anything. But I'm going to take you guys in there and hopefully they have it. Hello. So I don't see anybody in here, you guys. Let's see, maybe it's over here with the cameras. Not too sure. Ooh, look. Do y'all see that? Let's see. GoPro. Okay. Let's see. Well, this is 19. Oh no, but that's not. Yes. I'm actually looking for like the little adapters where I can attach my GoPro into like an earphone or something, like an earbud. Or it's like a regular adapters, period.
Listen, are you familiar with a component for the GoPro that can connect it to a headset? That's what I said.
I seen it online. It's like just a USB it's like just the regular ones you use for like an iPhone to like the earbud, that kind of connectors. Y'all have those?
It's the earbud that goes into the.
Like it's just the earbud, like the little, the little silver piece, and then it's like the iPhone piece at the other end of it. Yeah.
Which one do you have? Which GoPro?
The 7.
The 7 should be USB-C. So I think you're right.
Yeah, that's what it is.
So
that's what it said.
It's actually the Samsung piece that you would need, which is USB-C.
Y'all don't mind me recording y'all, do y'all? You don't mind me recording y'all because I was like I have my GoPro on.
Oh, no,
so okay. I was like,
I got a mask on.
Okay.
Yeah, so you should be USB-C type to the headphone jack.
Yes.
We have them over in mobile.
Yes. Yeah. This way. Thank you. Thank you. How's your day going?
So far, so good.
That's good.
Right here.
Okay.
everyday stuff?
Yes, that's like everyday stuff. Yeah.
This is what I'm looking for.
Yep, that's exactly what it is. Thank you. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Yay, guys, we got it. Whoop, whoop, we got it. Okay, well, that was pretty easy. Now let's go pay for it. Good, how are you? I'm sorry?
I'm sorry, did you have a phone number with us?
No, I don't, no.
It's gonna be 1624.
Okay. Okay, so thank you. Thank you too. Thanks. Hey guys, so we're in the car, but first, actually, let me sanitize. So, one moment, please. Okay, all sanitized, and let me get this car started because it is hot and I am tripping. So that was super easy. They knew. I tried to describe it as best as I could. I guess I should have known the name of it, which would have helped them, but she knew what I was talking about. We went and got it. It was a little bit more expensive than I thought at first. So online it said $8.99, but it ended up being $14.99. So, you know, not that much more, but it is a big, it's not a big difference, but it's a difference. Actually, since I'm here, let me just see if it fits first while I'm already in the car, if that makes sense. So I'll be right back, guys. Well, here it goes. Actually, this is like the little box it came in. I was like, I could just show you guys why I'm actually here. Well, I guess you won't be able to see the GoPro part. Well, when I'm sticking it into the GoPro. Bear with me for a second. Okay, so I didn't go wash the car because I realized I don't have any of the towels in my car. I don't have the sprays for the tires or the windows. And what's the point of washing the car if you can't wash it properly? So I'll probably just go later or tomorrow. I'll clean my car up or whatever. I'm back at home now. Well, I'm about to be in the house. And I'll see you guys later on. Thank you for coming with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!